How to turn off mentions on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. And here, from the Account section, click on Privacy. And then scroll down to Interactions section. And from there, click on Mentions and Tags. And here, the second section, you can see it says who can mention you. And it says choose who can mention you in their description, stickers, comments, and stories. So what you want to do here in order to disable the mentions is to choose the last option that says no one, and by doing that no one will be able to mention you. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn off and disable mentions on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.